Happy birthday, Didi. You always take care of me. I love you. Bye. Happy birthday once again. Happy birthday to you.
Tishu bua.
Tishu bua. Happy birthday to you. इसको
देशना के आने के बाद हमारे घर में खुशियां ही खुशियां आई है। मेरा आशीर्वाद देशना के साथ सदा के लिए है।
बच्चे कब बड़े हो जाते हैं पता ही नहीं चलता है। देशना बेटा में ऑल योर ड्रीम्स कम ट्रू, स्टे ब्लेस्ड, गॉड ब्लेस यू।
Desna is a very cool and calm girl. She takes a very good care of her little sister. We wish her all the best and we pray to the God that she shine in the sky like a star. उसके जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देते हैं हम। God bless you, Desna.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Deshna. Happy birthday to you.
देशना को 8th स्टैंडर्ड से जुनून था कि उसको बॉम्बे की टॉप कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेना है और उसने 2 साल बहुत मेहनत की and at last she proved herself. She got 94%. We are really blessed to have a child like her. Love you Deshna, love you so much.
Hi Deshna, happy birthday. I can't believe you're 18 years old already. It's like you were still a baby at Mahesh Nagar and we used to all play. I miss celebrating festivals, birthdays, going for dinners, Rakhi, Diwali, Holi. We used to celebrate all festivals together and I really miss all of that. And nonetheless, I'm so glad that you're a good student, you're a great person, and my best wishes to you. May you keep growing into a powerful, independent young woman, and my best wishes are with you.
देशना जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। खूब अच्छी तरह से पढ़ाई लिखाई करो, अनाई को भी अच्छी तरह से पढ़ाओ, मम्मी को किचन में थोड़ी हेल्प करो। तुम्हारे जन्मदिन पर यही शुभ आशीर्वाद है।
Hello Deshna, happy birthday. Deshna, wishing you a very happy birthday. Wishing you a blast.
देशना जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Deshna. Happy birthday to you.
Feel like Shah Rukh Khan, 20,000 fans on my lawn, I can never do no wrong. Yeah, world in my palms, knew I was the greatest all along. Yeah, I feel like Shah Rukh Khan. Yeah, I feel like Shah Rukh Khan, 20,000 fans.
Many happy returns of the day Deshna.
Happy birthday.
Enjoy your day.
Enjoy your day.
Enjoy your 18th birthday. Bye bye.
बार बार दिन ये आए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000। Happy birthday to you Deshna. Happy birthday to you Deshna. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Deshna.
Happy birthday Deshna.
बहुत बढ़िया भाई, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Hi, happy birthday.
Hi Deshna, wishing you many more happy returns of the day.
Hi Deshna, wishing you a very happy 18th birthday. May you have a great day have loads of fun, and wishing you all the luck and happiness. We'll celebrate once I'm back. I'll get you lots of goodies and waiting for the treat.
जब मैं आज के बच्चों को देखता हूँ तो लगता है वो कितने डिमांडिंग हैं, पर मुझे बचपन से देशना कभी डिमांडिंग लगी ही नहीं। मुझे कभी याद ही नहीं आया कि उसने कोई चीज़ मांगी हो, और बहुत ही सिंसियर है। आई विश ऑल द बेस्ट देशना, और भगवान आपको बहुत तरक्की दे। वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Hey Deshna, wish you many happy returns of the day. I miss you a lot. I miss your dimples, and especially when you used to laugh at my jokes, even if you did not find them funny. But I really miss you, and तेरे ऐसे प्यारे बच्चे बहुत कम हैं, and the love and respect I got from you, I'll never forget, and you'll always be, in my list of students जिनको मैं हमेशा याद रखने वाला हूँ. No, I don't say this to all my students on their birthdays. Only for special students, and you are one of them, definitely. May you have all the success in your life and achieve all the goals that you have set.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, है मेरी ये आरज़ू। Happy birthday to you.
Happy 18th birthday, Deshna. I wish you all the happiness and success for future, and for everything that you always wanted to achieve. So, where do I even begin from? It's been 5 years of friendship with you now, and it was all so much of fun back then. We made so many memories, be it school, tuitions, or be it classes. We've danced together, studied together, gone on trips together. It was all so much of fun. I miss you, and I hope we meet soon. And I'm sitting on your favorite spot in my room. And
तेरी मेरी ऐसी जुड़ गई कहानी कि जुड़ जाता जैसे दो नदियों का पानी। मुझे आगे तेरे साथ बहना है, जाना तुम्हें तो है ये बात जानी कि ये जिंदगी कैसे बनती सुहानी। मुझे हर पल तेरे साथ रहना है, तुम कुछ अधूरे से हम भी कुछ आधे, आधा आधा हम जो दोनों मिला दे तो बन जाएगी अपनी एक जिंदगानी। ये दुनिया मिले ना मिले हमको, खुशियाँ भगा देंगी हर गम को। तुम साथ हो फिर क्या बाकी हो, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो। एक आसमां के हैं हम दो सितारे के, टकराते हैं टूटते हैं बेचारे। मुझे
I hope that you liked my way of describing you. You are the brightest shining star on the earth because you are the light to my happiness. Happy birthday once again. I love you so much.
Happiest birthday, Deshna. Wishing you a wonderful day full of happiness and joy. May you have a great year ahead. Keep shining, keep smiling. Love you. Meet soon.
A very, 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 very happy 18th to you. May this year bring lots of joy and happiness in your life, and may all your dreams and wishes come true. Kudos to our friendship, which has now lasted for almost 5 years, and any more to go, I hope. Every moment that we've spent together and every memory that we have made has been amazing. Like starting from school, those commerce free lectures which we used to have, then school trips, classes, trips, going to malls, going for movies, marine drive, then photo shoots, and how can I forget our night outs? They have been the best. Exploring cafes like Cafe Pef, which I am never gonna forget, and I hope you remember. Well, you have been an amazing friend, actually best friend, and I'm so glad and I count myself lucky to have a friend like you, so sweet and understanding, and well, the best, who can handle me and can be my best friend. I promise I'll always have your back, and I hope we both are always gonna be with each other, come what may. I love you very much and I really want to meet you soon. अभी तो इस बर्थडे तो कर ले हमारे बिना एंजॉय करने की ट्राई, कोई नहीं नेक्स्ट टाइम. बट जैसे ही लॉकडाउन खुलेगा ना, पार्टी चाहिए, रेडी रखना, ठीक है? ठीक है, चलो बाय, आई लव यू, बाय.
Hi, happy birthday Deshna. I wish you become the CM in your core team Kshitij. I hope you get everything you want in life and hope to meet.
Hey Deshna, happy birthday to you. Have a fabulous year ahead and stay the same as you are. Let's make a plan to meet soon.
Happy birthday Deshna, you're finally 18. I would say कि जो मेरा स्कूल लाइफ था, जो हमारा एंड वाले 9th 10th 8th 9th 10th was just amazing because I had friends like you all, तू, निवेदिता, जानवी, एंड जो हमारा जो ग्रुप था, बहुत मज़ा किया हम लोग ने, बहुत ज़्यादा इन्जॉय किया है. हम लोग का वो हमेशा वाला ग्रुप होता था, जब भी कोई ट्रिप्स होती थी तो हम लोग ऐसा मैंडेटरी था कि हम 4 तो होंगे ही एक रूम में. बहुत मज़ा करते थे, रूम में भी डांस करना, टाइम पास करना, एक दूसरे की खिंचाई करना, बहुत मज़ा आता था.
Happy birthday Deshna, enjoy your 18th birthday and your right to vote. You are very confident, very enthusiastic and ready to accept challenges, and above all you are a very good friend of mine. We had a blast in junior college and I hope we will make more fantastic memories. So enjoy your day at home without us.
बर्थडे देशना, अभी आज तक पूरे दिन में बहुत सारे बर्थडे विशेज आएगी, फिर तो उन सबको और थैंक यू वो सब बोल देगी, और मेरे को वो सब फालतूगिरी पसंद नहीं है. इससे अच्छा मैं तेरे लिए एक सॉन्ग ही डेडिकेट कर लेता हूँ, ये ले सुन.
Stay blessed, enjoy your day, meet soon. Many happy returns of the day Deshna. Stay blessed, enjoy your day, meet soon.
Hi Deshna, I hope you're doing great. I miss you so much. Firstly, it's been so long since we've met. A very 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 happy birthday to you. You're one of the most charismatic and ecstatic person I've met in my life, and I swear you're the best photographer out there. See, I don't have you and I have to use a filter now. I miss you so much. I hope your day is as special as you are to everyone around you. You just make everyone so happy and your dimples just shine through your face. I hope everything's good out there and we meet really soon. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.